Yeah. Niggas see the crib and ask who did I steal from. Price tags on making the world feel some.
Yo, what's up vlog? My fucking birthday bro. What's good guys? Kamusta kayo? So, nag-gym ako, pump lang ng shoulders para aesthetic mamaya. Tonight, we celebrate. So, ang dahil mangyayari, celebrity party, intimate per 200 people. Tama ba yan? Intimate ba pag 200 people?
Parang hindi.
Parang hindi na, no? Pero it's all good. Just have fun later. So, while this party siguro to na ito-throw ko so far in my life. Celebrities, sabahin ni Kuya SV. Thanks Kuya SV for the accommodation. So yeah, so na ligo, refresh, bihis, then let's go. So it's 5 PM already. Birthday 22 pare, 22. Tanya. Thank you baby. I saw your gift. Ito na yung stories ko.
Isang araw pa niya yung ginawa. No, kahapon lang.
Bro, ano natin? Reels. Jay, red mo na. Tapos diesel. Patog. Patog natin. Para may isa pang patog dun sa event. Dito lang siya. Punta rin sa event. Kita. Alis tayo ng 7 lahat ah. 7 dapat nakasibat na tayo lahat ah. Pinump niya yung putangin ng buong braso ko. Pinump ni Mario yung tangin ah. Ang dami no? Naka-t-shirt lang ako mamaya eh. So, it's my 22nd birthday. And wala na akong wish pare. Kasi lahat ng winish ko last year, nakuha ko na. Magla-lunch na lang ako. So I'm launching Mohika Ventures Foundation and I will make it my life's purpose to feed people, as many people as I can, para mabawasan yung mga taong nagugutom dito sa Pilipinas. And luckily, if we're fortunate around the globe. So today, my birthday, wala na akong wish. Kasi all my wishes came true last year pa. And super grateful ako. I don't need nothing else. Jacked, healthy, wealthy, businesses are booming, businesses are scaling, relationships are all good. I have love around me, I have loyalty around me, and nothing else I would ever ask for in my life. So right now, at 22, saya, super saya ako. So thank you guys. Support tayo.
Sa pre-shoot natin,
Sa pre-shot may ilaw talaga.
pogi-pogi na slow mo lang.
Ganun talaga yun. Wala nga ilawan talaga. Para putok.
Sa slow mo din slow mo din yung sa birthday para feel na feel yung ano. Hello.
Nako.
Sige brother, nice meeting you.
Ay, wife ko, G.
Nice to meet
Finally!
you. Nice to meet you.
Nakikita ko yung mga videos ko.
Thank you. Dito pala kayo natin.
Galing.
Same pala tayo.
Oo nga eh, nataka nga ako.
Saan ka nag-gym?
Dito.
Dito?
Oo.
Talaga? Ba't ka nagsasabay? Ako
Hindi, kakalipat lang namin.
Kailan lang?
Hapon lang. Kakalipat lang.
Nice.
QC kasi kami, tapos gusto namin nila. Kalabang.
Nice.
So yun, kita-kits tayo.
Neighbors, pare.
Sige brother.
Alright, yes, thank you,
Okay.
pare. Thank you. See you.
Kita ko yung video mo ba? Sabi ko, saan ba yung bahay ni John? Ang ganda ng bahay niya. Timing
lang.
talaga. Oo nga eh.
Yun nga ba, when we walk ba? Parang familiar. Tapos may, malamang gabi na eh, may ilaw eh. Ano meron doon? Lumapit.
Oh, kasi andyan yung video.
Oh, shoot kami. Birthday ko kasi ngayon. So,
Talaga?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, sige.
Sige.
Bye-bye. Ingat tayo.
Bro, may bibigay lang to siya.
Family niya. My family po. Tsaka community ng brother ko. For the new house po.
Wow.
Wine open.
Wine opener. Sa'yo to pare.
From our family, tsaka yung
Thank you,
community
bro.
ng brother ko.
Thank you. Ano pangalan bro?
Ng family ko. Priya Gola, tsaka yung community
Idol
nila
ko lang
ng...
tatay niyan.
Oo.
Thank you bro. Thank you Priya Gola family. GDP, shout out sa inyo. Thank you for this. Ayun, nakakaso.
Sumakto eh, no?
Ito, ang dami nating wine dyan. Oh. Punong-puno ng wine yan. Palagay natin dito. Right. Thanks bro.
Thank you.
T-shirt na lang, no?
Kaya pala t-shirt na lang, no?
Guys, so we're now having our dinner at SB Mansion. Kasama natin yung family natin. Alis na ako, tapos na yung shoot. Nagmamadali na kami kasi baka late na. Kaya, tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's start the party, pare. Let's get wild. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Thank you. Kamusta ro?
Ako pagpilik mata pa. Mamaya ulit.
Mamaya ulit. Ano sinawa mo?
Forma tayo mamaya.
Thanks, Mom. Look at my mother, how pretty she is. She pretty, bro. She pretty. Lola ko tinama, she pretty. Mamaya party na.
Sige. Sunod ako kailangan
Meron ako ba? Oh. Na. Diyan mo na. Mami. Nice ko na lang dito ha. Dahil medyo late ako. Nice one. Tapos boyfriend niya. Nagdala kayo sila burger mamaya DJ natin. Siya nag-manage pati outside market. Si tita tita Nico.
Ito naman. Grabe ka.
Yun na lang. Ang babait yan. Kasi edad. Mamaya na bro. Kain na kayo. Ibis na ako. Sabi mong artist. Dito magpapatato mamaya bro. Papunta na sila Sil.
Tatuan dyan mga.
Ano nabati ko?
Ha?
Nabati ko.
Hindi ka. Sila Wes. Dami to sila Wes. Ito na kayo. Ha?
Thank you, kuya.
Sige dyan. Labi. Papa, ikaw nakayos ha.
Wala pa yan.
Kasi kahit sa Sampalo ko bro. Ito yung mga tumambay mama. Eh at least di umulan. Kala ko umulan. Kaya ni-ready ko lang.
Ganda.
Ayan bro.
Set up pa.
Ayan na ako. Isa ka bro.
Okay.
Wala nga ako na, di ako nakapag-prepare. Bro, kung bala sa amin. Ito yung mga ano natin. Kasi may birthday. Ready na po yung pagkain. Oh, kaya mo na kayo, George.
Sige, kuya.
Happy birthday.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Okay na tayo.
Maybe I'm cynical. Maybe you feel it all too. Love is conditional. Love could go missing on you. Maybe I'm cynical. Maybe you feel it all too. Love is conditional. Love could go missing on you.
Look, we elevated, we don't have to trap harder. Now my back garden, same size as Battersea Park. I ain't putting no suit and tie on, I turned on the Met Gala. Mum kicked me out, to be fair, I was beefing my stepfather. I put her on first class, would've thought I was Jack Harlow. Look, I was eating beans out the tin, nice avocado. I'm in Cape Town, roof down, playing I'm a piano. Dave got 9 in a Sprinter, I'm trying to pack the Viano. I park wherever I want, like fuck a ticket inspector. I'm your typical rapper, fucking bitches my pleasure. Money holes in the clothes, I got plenty kicks in my dresser. My axe still in the trap on the 25th of December. That girl is a hoe, but I won't judge cause I'm a slag as well. Spend a couple bills on apple spritz, up in Bagatelle. Put food on a scale and hit the strip if the rapping fails. I was OT, I was bashing over brazzers. Think I'm bougie, I ain't pressing girls in fashion over dresses. Argue with my ex, going back and forth over texts. Baby, I won't lie if your man don't overpossess.
Yan ba yun? Oo, ito na nga. Estudyante. Guys ito, customer si Josh Mawigan ng Picante.
So on my birthday, serve natin. It's very special. Hindi ako nagkamali. Hindi ako nagkamali. Let's get the party started, man.
Hey, Homer hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Ting the Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, you know how sticky it get. Hey, you know how sticky it get. Hey, you know how sticky it get. Hey, she want me to play with that cat. Hey, she love how I make it all wet. Hey, you know how sticky it get. Hey, hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid and free big slime out the cage. And shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed, cause every song that I made is
Everyone, syempre gusto ko pasalamat sa inyong lahat. And thank you sa lahat ng nandito, partners, business partners, kaibigan, and sa inyong lahat. So, thank you Kuya SB for this. Maraming salamat sa iyo. You're the best. Iba ka. Love you. Sa lahat ng nandito, Boss West, partners, everyone, maraming salamat sa inyo. And, yun, it's my 22nd birthday. And sobrang bata ko pa, pero I'm grateful that I have all of these people around me na kasama ko. And this one, hindi matutumbasan ng kahit anong pera to, you know? Ito na yung success ko. Success is not those material things. Success is the people around you. And kung sino ka nagiging along the journey. So, maraming salamat. And ang purpose ko lang sa birthday ko na to is, sabi nga ni Kuya SB, yung purpose niya tumulong. So, nakuha ko yun. So, yeah. Galingan lang natin para madami tayo matulungan. Yun lang. Tulong, everyone. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.